Healthy homemade sugar-free apple cinnamon oatmeal recipe. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipe and cookeries channel. Today, we have a delicious and healthy recipe for you, sugar-free apple cinnamon oatmeal. This is not only a warm and comforting breakfast option but also perfect for those looking to manage their sugar intake. Plus, it's super easy to make. So, let's jump right into it. First, let's go through the ingredients you'll need for our sugar-free apple cinnamon oatmeal. 1 cup of rolled oats. 2 cups of water. 1 medium apple, peeled and diced. Half teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now, let's get started with the preparation. 1 in a saucepan, add 1 cup of rolled oats. 2 pour in 2 cups of water. 3 add our diced apple for natural sweetness and flavor. 4 sprinkle in half teaspoon of ground cinnamon for that cozy aroma. 5 now, turn on the heat to medium-high and bring the mixture to a boil. 6 once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to a simmer. 7 stir occasionally to prevent sticking and cook until the oats are tender and the apples are soft. 8 now, it's time to sweeten our oatmeal. Add stevia or your preferred sugar substitute to taste. Benefits? While our sugar-free apple cinnamon oatmeal finishes cooking, let's talk about the benefits. 1 Oats are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, providing steady energy throughout the day. 2 Apples add natural sweetness without added sugars and are rich in fiber, keeping you full. 3 Cinnamon not only adds a wonderful flavor but may help stabilize blood sugar levels. 4 By using stevia or a sugar substitute, you can enjoy sweetness without the sugar spike. Superb, wow! And there you have it, our sugar-free apple cinnamon oatmeal is ready. Look at how creamy and delicious it looks. It's absolutely delightful. The sweetness from the apples and the warmth of the cinnamon really make this oatmeal special. Plus, it's a great option for those looking to manage their sugar intake. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this healthy homemade recipe for sugar-free apple cinnamon oatmeal. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe our multi-recipe and cookeries channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. Thank you.